In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo Sign. Odoo Sign is built to make electronic signatures simple, fast, and legally compliant. So it's a great tool when you need to send documents, collect signatures, and keep track of everything in one place. Whether you're sending a contract, an approval form, or an internal document, the process is very straightforward once you know where everything is. To get started, open the Sign app in Odoo. From there, click Upload a PDF and Sign. In some setups, you can also upload your file through the Documents area and then open it in Sign. The idea here is to bring your PDF into the signing workspace so you can prepare it before sending it out. Make sure the file you upload is the final version, because this is the document people will review and sign. Once the PDF is open, you'll move into the editing stage. This is where you add the fields that people need to complete. You can drag and drop items like a signature field, initials, a date field, a text input, or a checkbox directly onto the document. Place each field carefully so it lines up with the correct section of the form. Taking a moment here to position everything clearly helps avoid confusion later for the people signing. As you add each field, assign it to a role. Roles help Odoo know which signer is responsible for which part of the document. For example, one field might belong to a customer, while another is meant for a manager or an employee. This is an important part of the setup because it ensures each person only fills in the sections intended for them. After the document is configured, click Sign Now or Send, depending on what you want to do. If you're sending it out for signatures, enter the email addresses of the recipients. If more than one person needs to sign, you can also set a signing order. That means the next person won't be notified until the previous signer has completed their part. This is especially useful for approval chains or documents that need to follow a specific sequence. Once the document has been sent, you can monitor everything from the Sign dashboard. Under My Requests, you'll see the status of each document in real time. For example, a request may show as sent, signed, or refused. If someone hasn't completed their signature yet, you can also send reminders to help keep the process moving. That's the basic workflow for using Odoo Sign. Upload the document, add and assign fields, send it to the right people, and then track the status from your dashboard. With just a few steps, you can manage signatures much more efficiently inside Odoo.